Hi everyone, welcome to Papa's Workshop. I want to give you just a real quick video today because I'm in the shop assembling another flag and I ran into a problem. And the problem solution was the STARBOND glue. Fantastic. This is a medium thick black and it worked great. It solved my problem in less than 3 minutes and I'm back to assembling the flag. So let me show you how I used it real quick today for this short video. Let's get started. Here's another reason that I really love the STARBOND glue. I'm working on the final assembly of this flag and I noticed a knot hole. And I didn't actually see that before, and it actually goes all the way through. And the reason that I like this STARBOND glue, this is the medium thick black. And I'll be able to fill that hole without any problem at all and be able to continue right on with my work. So I can fill it, put it in there. I can hit it with a little bit of the activator. I can put some over on the other side and fill this gap. And it's not going to slow me down any. And once I hit it with that activator, it's dry. And I can go ahead and apply another coat right on top of it. Hit the activator again. And there we go. I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this hole again. You do it in small amounts. You don't need to have it real thick at a time. And this was a pretty good size hole. Now that went all the way through. The back side now is completely filled. Got a little bit more on the front side to fill. And we'll put one more coat in here. And that should do it. Now all I need to do is just hit this with some light sandpaper and I'll be able to continue on. So there you go. In a matter of just literally a couple of minutes, that knot hole is completely sealed and it's going to be protected. I don't have to worry about that falling out. It's sealed on the back side as well. Little touch of the sanding makes it where it's nice and smooth, and I can continue on putting this flag together. So from the standpoint of the STARBOND glue, I absolutely love this. Now this is the medium thick and this is the black color. I'm also going to leave a link in the description so that you can buy the STARBOND glue at a 10% discount. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video today. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified on the different videos that I upload. Also check out the videos over here to be able to stay up to date on the happenings in my shop. So again, thank you for watching my videos.